What's up, my diet buddies and my non-diet buddies? It's your boy Percy Robinson coming at you with another smash hit video. Now, before we get started, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and share this content, please. It'll help your boy out a lot. Also, hit the bell so you know every time I drop another video each week. Now, there's this burger craze going on right now. And with that burger craze going on, there's this thing called the Impossible Burger. The problem with the Impossible Burger is I don't know all the content in that burger, so I don't trust it. So do me a favor, you guys, drop me a comment and let me know what you feel about that Impossible Burger. But today, we are making an all-natural burger. It's a black bean walnut chipotle burger. Now, I know that sounds kind of weird, but hear me out. This burger is good for you, it's nutritious, and it tastes amazing. So, why don't we just get started right now? Peace.
First place always win at the finish line. Whoa.
I know there's some great music that I have within me that I haven't brought out here yet. Is that something that you begin to look at within yourself? See, I say if you look at your life, and if you're not getting what you want, you owe it to yourself to do something differently.
Whoa. Make sure you got a it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Hey, what's up, everybody? I hope you enjoyed watching this segment as much as I love making this tasty treat for you guys. You guys know what time it is. It's the taste test time. So this is actually my first time trying this. First time trying this recipe and first time trying it. So it's a first for everybody. So let's try it out. Wow, it's really not that bad. It's actually really good. This is definitely something that I'll make. I'm over here being rude, talking with my mouth open, or chewing. This is definitely something that I will make again. All right, let me try some of these fries, these homemade fries that I made. By the way, these are sweet potato fries. Oh my God. Why even go out to a burger joint? You can make this stuff at the house. This is amazing. Okay guys, we're done. So tune in, tell a friend, and subscribe. Peace.
Ridiculous, sickening work ethic. You know, while the other guy's sleeping, I'm working. While the other guy's eating, I'm working.
Got a gift that I gotta use. Keep it innovative, penetrating people waiting. Secure it on your own in a different way. Close your eyes, my dude, and let the image play. Like a DVD or possibly a Blu-ray. Stay focused on your dreams, never you late. Welcome my becoming.